hope you guys are doing good. My name's MyLifeAsLoveline. I'm so excited today, guys, because we're going to be making one of the best soups in the whole wide world. I don't know if you guys are as excited as I am. So we're going to be making the Eru soup. Eru is widely known in Central and West Africa. Eru, otherwise known as Netum africanum, is a climbing vine in the tropical rainforest of West and Central Africa. It is very important in the preparation of traditional dishes like this one. Its great socioeconomic value cannot be overemphasized. It has gotten a positive impact on livelihood around West and Central Africa. The leaves are also of a great medicinal value. Before you start, guys, make sure you wash all your ingredients, the ones that need to be washed. Also remember to pre-boil your cow skin before use. So let's dive into the introduction of the ingredients. Here we have chopped spinach leaves. In place of spinach leaves, you can use water leaves, commonly used back in Africa. We have red oil, smoked cow meat, cow skin, our Eru leaves, dry fish, crayfish already ground, seasoning cubes, and salt to taste. Also, if you want your soup spicy hot, you could add a scotch bonnet, ground or whole. So guys, the first thing is to put your meat, your cow skin, in a pot and boil. Add water. So we're going to boil this for approximately 30 minutes and then we add the fish and boil. See you later. So guys, when you notice that your water is drying out, add your dry fish and your spinach. It's of utmost importance to note that your spinach leaves and or water leaves are already so stocked up with a lot of water. So you don't need to add a lot of water again. Cover everything up and allow to boil for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. So guys, the next thing is to add the Eru, ground crayfish, the remaining seasoning cubes, and a little bit of salt to taste, and the oil. Mix. Add your crayfish. Now it's time to add the cornerstone of the soup, our palm oil, or red oil as we always call it. Add more seasoning cubes. There's a school of thought, guys. It holds that you must not cover your Eru while cooking because it turns bitter or, I don't know, drawy or something. But I don't know, I haven't really experienced that. But one thing I want to emphasize here, guys, is that you thoroughly wash your Eru with hot water. It's very essential to avoid stomach upset. Add a little more of salt. If you want to add your scotch bonnet, it should be at this stage. Mix. We're almost at the end, guys. At this point, you have to taste your soup to see if all the ingredients are well balanced. If your taste buds agree with you, then you cover this up and let this boil for approximately 10 minutes more. See you later. So guys, I guess our Eru is ready. Serve and enjoy with your family. Thanks for watching. Yes, guys, your eru is served with some fufu. The Nigerians call it eba. Anyway, at this point, can nobody tell me not to dig in? Can't wait, guys. So yummy. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every minute and second of yours with me in the kitchen. Please check my playlist for wonderful videos as this and more. Please also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Your likes, your comments, your views. This mean a lot to me. Thank you very much. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.